In this video, I'm going to show you how to block countries on your Shopify store. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your Shopify account and go to the Shopify dashboard. Then afterwards, please go to the bottom left and select on the settings icon right here. It is then going to bring you to a menu that looks like this. From here, please go to the left menu and select over here where it says Sales Channels. Then go to the top right and select on Shopify App Store right here. It is then going to bring you to the Shopify App Store, and then all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and type in fraud filter right here. Then you want to select on this option that says Browsify Fraud Filter Blocker, and you just want to go ahead and press on it. There are many other great options out there, but I recommend using this one because it is completely free to use. However, there's many other options out there. Browsify isn't the only one, but anyways, all you want to do is you want to click on install right here, and then it is going to begin installing that app over to your Shopify store. So go ahead and select on install right here. Now, afterwards, it is going to go ahead and then open up the Browsify dashboard. So just wait for it to open a little bit. And then afterwards, it is going to give you a menu that looks like this. Now from here, go ahead and select on block location. Then you want to select over here where it says add new location. And then from here, you can go ahead and enter a country. So let's say we don't want traffic from Colombia, for example. We can even specify more by including a city or an area and then a note as well, which is definitely pretty useful. And then go ahead and select on add rules over here. And then as you're able to tell, that country and region is now going to be blocked. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.